Mustard green.
Welcome our Swapna kitchen. This is for mustard green vegetable, very tasty for very like people because this is vitamin A. My aunt cut it and it is very nice for the everything onion, green chili and then green onion and garlic. All everything we mix it. This look at so everybody and I want it from my this one. Today I'm so sorry I didn't make the recipe because I very quickly. I'm gonna recipe for next time. If you're interested, you inbox me. I will be give you a recipe. This is for Swapna Kitchen charity channel. Everybody like my video, share my video. Can you subscribe my video, friends and family? I very appreciate for them. And then I'm gonna make money. I'm gonna give my poor people country. And so thank you for everyone. See my friend, family, YouTube channel video. Swapna Kitchen. This is charity channel. I know everyone is very happy for my video. See my video. Morning I breakfast on 900 people do breakfast. I'm so happy for them people. Thank you for again and I appreciate for the good night.